Damajagua. Are you excited?
Yes.
Susan, are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Cool sound. Oh, look at the spikes on it. Show it to me, Paul. Point to it. How you doing?
We're good.
Don't do it!
How'd that go?
That's why I had to jump in.
Okay, I'm thinking I would like this maybe a little warmer.
That's really pretty. See you later, Paul.
Oh my!
This is so cool. Yeah, this is so cool. This is so cool. You like the slides better or the jumps?
The slide. The slide. Come on through, buddy. You are a master.
That looks so
Lopez, baby.
No, he's just walking. Oh, here comes another wave. Hey, Susan! I went further down to the local bar for local alcohol at local prices.
Yeah, I was on the different see waterfalls.
Nice. She'll love that. I know, isn't that cool? Hey, Paul. Paul's ready for a nap. Around the park. This is a very cool windy river. This is so cool. Just to kind of help you go through. This is beautiful. Isn't this so cool? Oh, I'm gonna hit a stick. The stick is gonna get me. Ah! So these things again. Ooh. Whoop, I'm kind of stuck. This is a very cool windy river. This is so cool. Over there, watch out for the rope around your neck. Oh, Susan's got the mountains in the background. Yeah. Wait, Paul. Yeah, there you go. It's perfect. Oh, gosh.